Hello, welcome back to my channel, where elegance defies age. Today, we're featuring the radiant Dolly, a beautiful model over 50, an Instagram star with over 78,000 followers on profile, Dolly Bird 69, a video creator with a passion for travel, fashion, and sparking joy. Dolly embodies what it means to live to the fullest. Dolly's Instagram is a vibrant reflection of her fun-loving personality. Married and mature, she brings a unique charm to everything she shares, from her stylish fashion looks to her adventure travel. Her bright smile and positive energy light up every post, inspiring her audience to embrace life with simple pleasure. Whether she's sharing travel tips or glimpses of her fabulous lifestyle, Dolly's content is all about living with precision and joy. If you're looking for a mix of fashion, fun, and the mature perspective of life, you can explore more through her link. Thanks for exploring Dolly with us. Her love for travel, fashion, and positivity is a true reminder that age is just a number. Be sure to follow her on social media for more smiles and inspiration, and stay tuned for more incredible features here on my channel. Until next time, keep shining. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe in my channel. Thank you for your watching. Thank you and goodbye.